Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can restrict the access to your notes on Evernote in 2026. So let us dive into this. So let's assume, guys, you would like to restrict access to a specific note in your notes because you don't want anyone to, let's say, make changes or edits to the given note. This is how you can do it. Navigate to your account on Evernote. Navigate also to the note, click into share in the top right, and simply make sure that here from the drop-down menu you select restricted access, so that only people you specifically invite have access to the given note and not anyone with the link, for example, because these would have access to the given note and would be able to either view or edit the given note depending on which one of these you choose. So that's basically public visibility, and that's restricted access. So select this one, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.